6 of them from the same litter, and this is a female, and this is a male. This is Alice, and this is Anders. So there's only 2 female in this litter and 4 males, and they all look very much alike. They're all kind of special. They're black, and Alice has this little white patch here, very, very cute. And they're living with many, many dogs now, big and small dogs, and doing so well. So excited, they're ready for their homes. And Danny Boy here is really, really big dog. So they've been around big dogs, and they've been around big old dogs. Lucy there walking around. This is a very old, about 15 years old. Come on, guys. Anybody want to come here? Oh, we're a mess here. So how about let's come for some treat. Hey, come. Here, Anders, Alice. So Alice here, the female's a little bit more playful than the others. Come on. Anders, yeah, I know you want to be in good sit. They're really good at sitting. Okay. Oh, it's a sit. Oh, you didn't get to eat it? Back, girl. Back, girl. Back, girl. So, come on. Oh, and you want some more too? Oh, you guys eat so fast. Okay, no more, enough. Enough, baby, enough. Here, Anders, you get out this. Oh, Lucy, be nice. How about treat? So cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. Okay, don't get around Lucy's food. Lucy, we get angry, Lucy. Be nice. They're little puppies. Okay? And as you can tell, there's your bed, there's your treats, there's your toys, and there's your dog food here. So they all have to get along.